You must have used Google Maps before, right? Well, in today's video, I will show you how you can use Google Maps to make you money for free. And that too, all it takes is just 3 simple steps. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. But before we start, welcome to Make Your Bucks, where we show you legit ways of how to make money online. And that too for free. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any opportunity to make thousands of dollars online. Step 1. Download Google Chrome. There are so many search engines available, but for this video, we will be using Google Chrome. Step 2. Head over to Google Maps. Now on the search bar, I want you to type in restaurants. You can actually type in any business or service that you want, such as plumbing or cleaning services. But for this video, let's go with restaurants. Now as you can see, all these things in red that you can see, they're restaurants in the area. Now we need to find a restaurant which has very few reviews, and most importantly, one which has claimed this business listed. If you click on this one, as you can see, it doesn't have a lot of reviews. And look here. It has this claim this business. Now what you will be doing is optimizing the listing for this business so it can rank higher on Google. And this will help the business attract more customers and make more profits. This is why restaurant owners will pay you to optimize their listings on Google. And you can easily get paid $100 to $200 for doing a task like this. But you have to remember, you do need to look for 2 things. The business needs to have very few reviews, and it should have a claim this business option like this one for this method to work. And it is always very good to reach out to the business first and tell them how you can help them rank their business on Google. If you look here, many businesses have a contact number, and you can directly call them and offer your help. Or if you don't want to call them, you can also visit their website and contact them via their email. Once you've contacted the business and you have worked out an offer with them, it's now time for the final step. Step 3. Optimizing the listing. First, go to the restaurant on Google Maps again and fill out any missing information, such as operating hours of the business, and also you need to select Claim This Business. Then you can go to communities such as Facebook or Instagram and write good reviews about the restaurant so that it reaches more people. You can do all of this for free, and it will help to increase the listing of the business on Google. And the best part, the business will pay you for doing so. And don't forget, you can do this for as many businesses as you like.